In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page break in LibreOffice Writer. If your document keeps jumping to a new page when you don't want it to, there's probably a manual page break tucked into the text. I'll show you how to reveal it, recognize the exact marker, and remove it cleanly so your content flows naturally again. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer. When the program opens, load the document you want to fix. If you're seeing an unexpected blank page or a sudden jump to the next page, that's a good sign that a manual break is involved. Next, go to the top menu and open View. Click Formatting Marks. This displays non-printing characters, things like paragraph markers, spaces, and tabs, along with the visual indicator for manual breaks. Think of this as turning on X-ray vision for your document structure. These symbols are on-screen guides only. They won't appear in a printout or exported PDF. They simply help you pinpoint the exact cause of layout issues. With formatting marks visible, scroll to the area where the pagination goes astray. You're looking for a blue horizontal line that spans the page and may be labeled Manual Break, or a small page break indicator displayed right at the end of a paragraph. The full-width blue line indicates a break inserted between paragraphs. The end of paragraph indicator means the break is tied to that paragraph's marker. In both cases, the result is the same. Text is being forced to start on a new page. Now place your cursor immediately before the break indicator, right up against it, and press the Delete key. If your cursor is positioned just after the break, press Backspace instead. Delete removes what's in front of the cursor. Backspace removes what's behind it. If the break doesn't disappear, gently move the cursor with the arrow keys until it's directly adjacent to the indicator, then try again. Precision matters here because you're removing a specific non-printing character. Once the break is gone, the text that was pushed to the next page will flow up to fill the space. That confirms the fix. If you accidentally remove more than intended, maybe a paragraph mark along with the break, simply undo and try again more precisely next to the indicator. Take a moment to skim nearby pages to ensure headings, paragraphs, and page numbers look correct. If you spot other breaks, repeat the same quick deletion wherever you see them. And that's it. By revealing formatting marks, spotting the blue break line or page break symbol, and deleting it from the correct side, you restore smooth, predictable pagination. Happy writing!